no. This way I'm gonna freeze, so no, we're gonna have to do it this in another way. And we're gonna do it my way. João!
What now?
I'm wearing my contact lenses. I need some kind of protection. Thank you. Okay. Ready? Ow. Let's do this.
Oh la la.
I'm so ready.
Who said that you could not have fun while performing an act of kindness? An act of kindness is not an obligation, but a choice. Choose to have fun when you choose to be kind. Everyone wins. You can also get benefits yourself while practicing an act of kindness. Aside from training my flexibility in weird ways, I also took the chance to practice positive self-affirmations in the mirror. You know, those positive phrases you repeatedly say to yourself out loud that train you to have a more positive and supportive perspective of who you are and also who you want to become, and therefore help reduce health-deteriorating stress, negative overthinking loops, and boost your level of self-esteem. That's a thing that's always handy nowadays.
I'm an abundant being. I'm an abundant being. Abundance is my home. I'm sexy and I know it.
Oh my god.
Put a like in this video if this is not the way you would wash your car, but now you're considering it, just because you know you'll have a lot of fun. That's right, keep creating your happiness today!
Dear mirror, who's the best one cleaning all cars of the world? I'm not, but you know who's.